Hey guys, welcome back to another style tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy protective style on my 4C natural hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So welcome back guys. Now for this hair tutorial I'll be using my 84-inch X-pression braid in the color 1B. I'm going to cut this hair into two because I'm only going to use half the pack. So the first thing I'm going to do is to part my hair down the middle, and the back is a bit tricky, so what I'm doing, I'm feeling for my scalp and then continue in a straight line going downwards. I will then use a second mirror to view the back to make sure that the part is to my liking. So once I'm satisfied with the center parting, I secure one side, and then for this side I'm just going to go in to part a small section of my hair. And what I like to do, guys, I like to apply the ultra gel wax to the parted section and then retrace the part so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So once this is done, as you can see, I'm sectioning off the larger portion of my hair so I can go in to style this side of my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply three nice braid patterns here, or what we call cane roll. So I'm going to put the cane roll here, and again I'm using my ultra gel wax to apply it to my scalp and then retrace the part so it can be neat and tidy. So now that I'm satisfied with the size of the part, I'm going to go in now to apply the ultra gel wax to both sides of that parted section and also at the front. Then use my old toothbrush just to lay my hair as flat as possible so I can start the braid pattern. So now that I've completed the three small braids at the side, I'm just going to go in now to the larger portion, and then I'm just going to apply my ultra gel wax. So now that I'm ready to braid the larger portion of my hair, I'm taking my braids and I'm going to take small pieces out. But as I take more of the hair out, the pieces get larger and larger. I'm going to set this aside, so when I'm ready to start the braided pattern now, it is easier for me to go in with the braid. So I'm going to take my tail comb and I'm just going to part a small portion out, and I'm going to separate that small portion into three pieces. And with this I'm going to start the braided pattern with my natural hair first, and as I go along I add the braids to the hair. So first I place it under my finger here, then I plait that portion in, then I take the other end and put it over on the same side and plait that here in as well. now guys, I'm at the first small braid pattern at the side, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the end of that braid and I'm gonna place it under my finger and I'm gonna braid that into the larger portion. Want to make sure all the 3 small braids that you have at the side, that the ends of each of them go into the large braid that you're creating going downwards. So guys, I realized that the end of the braid isn't long enough, so I'm going to go in to add piece more of the braid to get it to the length that I want. So now that I've completed this section of my hair, I'm just gonna go now and do the other section of my hair. So guys, this is the final look, quick and easy protective hairstyle on my 4C natural hair. So this is a nice protective hairstyle for online classes, for working from home, and you don't have to comb your hair every day. It's cute, it's simple, and it's easy. And guys, I'm showing you the hair that I have left. I still have half the braid, and this can be used for another style tutorial, honey. So guys, thank you for tuning in to another video with your girl Latoya. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, post your comments, and share. Guys, I'm feeling myself. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye guys.